You're watching Chakri Views, your source for precisely premium market insights. In this video, we are diving deep into the trading strategies of March 2025, giving you the edge you need to navigate the markets. We'll be analyzing trends, identifying key patterns, and exploring potential opportunities, all based on the kind of data you see right here. If you're looking to take your trading to the next level, don't hesitate to call and connect with us at 877-8899-819. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates and trading strategies. So, whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, stick with us. We're going to break down the strategies for March 2025 in a way that's easy to understand and apply. Let's dive into March month performance. As you can see, we've got a detailed breakdown of our calls, win ratios, and revenue right here. Last month, we delivered a total of 247 calls, covering both intraday and position trades. And the result? A profit of 1,24,861 rupees. Remember, again, that's based on a single lot and the first target hit. This is all in NSE F&O and MCX futures. Traders, let's break down this week's performance. As you see, detailed call data, win ratios, and revenue are here. Remember, all calculations are based on single lot, first target. This week, we had 71 total calls, intraday and position combined. Unfortunately, we recorded a loss of 61,416 rupees. Again, based on single lot and first target. Let's break down the trading summary, dated 24th March 2025. Unfortunately, today resulted in a loss of 47,566 rupees. Remember, this is calculated based on a single lot and the first target, as we always emphasize. This loss encompasses both intraday and position calls. While today's results weren't ideal, we are committed to providing you with transparent analysis and aiming for better outcomes. Today, 25th March 2025, we are bringing you precisely premium results. Look at this performance. We've executed trades with precision. Note the buy and sell orders, lot sizes, trade entries, stop losses, and target hits. And the net column? That's where the magic happens. We've locked in significant profits across multiple trades and we are celebrating a profit of 1,32,840 rupees. That's right, over a lakh in profit. And as always, this is calculated on a single lot and achieving the first target. At Chakri Views, we don't just analyze the market, we conquer it. Join us and experience the difference. 26th March 2025, we are bringing you a transparent look at our trading performance. We've executed trades across various scripts. Transparency is key. Today, we experienced a loss, reflected in the net column. We don't shy away from these results. Today's loss stands at 18,710 rupees. Remember, this is calculated on a single lot and achieving the first target. We stick to our methodology. In trading, losses are a part of the journey. At Chakri Views, we learn, adapt, and move forward. We are committed to delivering consistent and transparent analysis. 27th March 2025, we are bringing you an honest and transparent look at our trading performance. We are showing you all the details. Transparency is paramount. Today, we experienced a loss, don't hide from these results. Today's loss stands at 64,416 rupees. Remember, this is calculated on a single lot and achieving the first target. In trading, losses are inevitable. At Chakri Views, we learn from them and move forward with strategic precision. We are committed to delivering consistent and transparent analysis. We'll be back stronger. 28th March 2025, we are presenting a clear and detailed overview of our trading activity. Today's loss stands at 63,562 rupees. Remember, these figures are calculated based on a single lot and achieving the first target. This loss encompasses both intraday and position calls. In trading, losses are part of the process. We don't dwell on setbacks. We analyze and move forward with strategic precision. We are committed to delivering consistent and transparent analysis. We will return stronger with refined strategies and a renewed focus. Kind attention to all. Equity and MCX investment and trading are subject to 100% market risks. I am not SEBI registered analyst. Refer your financial consultant advice before investing. This channel is only for educational and learning purposes. Admins have no responsibility for your intended decision and financial losses. Stock market investments are very risky, and being part of this group, you agree that you understand the market risks involved. Therefore, no legal action is valid. Thank you.